Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I make the green drink first. I always buy the big containers of the baby spinach, and I will show you how I prep that later and put them in the freezer. I will use 1 banana for each drink, and then I will also add about a cup to a cup and a half of oats. I will also add a few tablespoons of flax. This is the ground flax. And then I will add a protein, and I always buy the plant-based protein. And this one is in the vanilla. The Burt's Bees one is really good as well, and that's what I will be using to make the chocolate. So today I'm going to be using the silk cashew milk. You can also use water if you'd like, that tastes fine as well. I've also made these with just the spinach, frozen pineapple, bananas, a green apple, and I've added either water or orange juice. That tastes really good too. So right here I am showing you how I prep for the week, and I always like to do this for the whole week. It definitely keeps the spinach nice and fresh, and it is super easy to just throw everything in the blender. If you guys are choosing to use any other fruits or vegetables, now is a really good time to add those. That way you don't have to worry about washing and cutting and then adding to the blender. You just put everything in the bag and then you can just throw it in the blender. I do leave out the protein mix and the oats for the freezer. I just add those as I add the rest of the ingredients into the blender in the morning. So now I'm going to show you how I make this, and I will be adding ice to this since the bananas or the spinach weren't frozen. It just tastes better in my opinion. So yeah, I'm just going to kind of show you how I throw everything together and what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I make the chocolate peanut butter ones. I love these. They taste so good, and it's almost like a treat, and it's actually very healthy. So I will add a tablespoon of peanut butter. You can add almond butter, cashew butter, whatever you would like. It doesn't matter. It's probably still going to taste just as good. The protein mix, of course, a little bit of honey, cinnamon, and about a half a cup of oats. And then for the liquid, I will use the cashew milk. And I'll also add a banana as well, and these usually taste the best when you freeze the banana first. I don't know why, if it's the consistency or whatnot, but it always tastes better when the banana is frozen. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I make my overnight oats. I will be using a small mason jar. I will add a few blueberries. These ones are fresh, and I will add some oats and some honey. And if you guys want to make this vegan, you can add some brown rice syrup, you can add maple syrup, or you can leave a sweetener out completely. I will also be using the cashew milk for this as well, and I will add some chia seeds. So I like to find most of my recipes off of Pinterest, and I found this one, and it has actually over 50 different ways to make this, and they all looked so good. So if you don't like the way I am making mine that you see here, you can just go online, or you can even just come up with your own ideas. Just add ingredients that you really like, and I'm sure it will taste really good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you left me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.